Hi everyone, in front of me I've got CUBOT Tablet Top 10 and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings and scroll down to find the display option. Now let's tap on the wallpaper. And as you can see here, we've got two different albums from which we can choose the wallpaper from. So we can choose it from Google Photos, and it is basically your own gallery, or the wallpapers which are defaultly installed. And I will pick this option, so let me tap on it. And as you can see, here we've got the preview of the lock screen and the home screen. And under it we've got the albums in which we've got the wallpaper. So here we've got the defaultly installed ones, and here we've got our own photo. So if you will change your mind, if you decide that you want to set your own photo as a wallpaper, you can do it right here. But let me pick something from on the device wallpapers, and as you can see here we've got some pre-installed ones. And in order to check the preview, so apply it to the full screen, just tap on it. As you can see, it will appear, and if you're happy with your choice, just tap on Set Wallpaper. Now you can decide where you want to set it, so you can set it as a home screen, lock screen, or both, and I will pick both options, so let me tap on it. And as you can see, the wallpaper has been applied successfully. And after getting back, we can see it on the home screen. So actually, this is it. This is how to change the wallpaper in your CUBOT Tablet Tab 10. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.